changed into my attire.
Oh God.
Now we're about to head to the market to buy some beach wear. Okay, I just wanted to do some shopping here in Goa itself. That's why I didn't carry much clothes. And this is the outfit I'm wearing. By the way, I'm wearing habusus. Yeah.
Don't open the phone stand, somebody will snatch your phone and run away.
Okay.
And I'll not be running after him. I'm telling you, Pele.
Okay. Okay, so
Abushu, don't do PDA in front of everyone.
what is PGA, Abusu?
Public.
Turn left onto Pilan, Candolim Road. Continue on Pilan. Head.
My leg. Oh God. Oh God.
Like something and the customer will tell you a high price only.
So scary, Abusu. So the beach experience was amazing. I was just blown away. Anyway, right now we are in Candolim market and we're just going to buy good beach wear. It's too humid, you know, it's too humid. The weather was too hot during the daytime, but right now it's okay, doable weather. We are coming towards this restaurant, Fisherman's Cove. We'll be having a dinner here on the way. Our location. Guys, good morning. So this is day 2 in Goa and right now we are staying just near the Candolim beach. We are in a riverside luxury cottage and it's a beautiful place, you know, with a backwater lake just next to the cottage, and there's a pool too, which I didn't try because I was too tired by the time we reached the hotel. Today we are planning to move towards South Goa and I don't know which place because it's a surprise entirely. Let's see how it is. And this is what I'm wearing. God. Okay, so this is what I'm wearing. I just wanted to accessorize a bit with the plain dress that I'm wearing. So this is what I'm wearing. cab is here. And this was the place. It was awesome. I loved it. Just getting inside. Oof. Too hot.
बीच रिजॉर्ट का वो रखा है, वुडन बोर्ड लगा है, साइन बोर्ड।
हाँ,
किधर जाने को दिखा, इधर दिखा। इधर गाड़ी आएगा हमको।
This is the direction. I'm just in love with the place. The beach we are here is Kola Beach. We are here at the Kola Beach and we've just taken a room overlooking the beach. It just feels amazing. God. This is our home for tonight and tomorrow again we'll be moving. Okay, so let me just give you the room tour. Not a room but a tent tour. Yeah, so this is the bed. Here we have a wardrobe and we have the lovely view. Okay. Oh god. Yeah, that is the shower area, the toilet, the basin, and the dressing mirror for myself. And of course we have the AC with the fan. I'm just in love with the view. And outside we have a seating area where we can just sip and enjoy the tea or a cold drink. It's freaking hot here. Just changed into my new dress that I bought yesterday from Candolim. And I'm just enjoying the beach. I'm just enjoying the view from my bed. And in a while we'll just move and have a lunch. I'll just pick my slip.
Lock the room.
We're just going to have lunch now. It's too thirsty, you know. Since morning we didn't have anything as we whole day we were traveling. It took almost 2 hours for us to reach here. And since the road was not motorable, so we had to walk almost 400 meters. This is quite offbeat and I liked it. It's amazing. What about you? What do you have to say?
Nothing. Just keep moving.
As always, you don't have to say anything. This hand, you know, it's not as smooth. Going to have food. to sit somewhere.
You can sit on these roads.
I just took a nap and freshened up, and I changed into a gown so that I can take lots and lots of photos and make reels. Yeah, this is what I'm wearing. Okay, let me show you my outfit. God, sunset is. We are going to have a dinner. It's quite romantic, Abusu. He has set a candlelight dinner for us. Oh God, it's too dark.
Please have a seat. Abusu.
Yes. Okay, Abusu.
Please have a seat. Oh God, let it sit. Let it sit.
Okay, okay, fine.
Thank you.
Cheers. Good morning, and today's day 3 in Goa, and you can see my morning view. Oh my God, look at those adorable people. Look at those adorable eyes. It's become a bit humid, and I was thinking of taking pics and all, but unfortunately my pics have not come out nice as I want. Oh my God! Achoo! Oh my God! Oh, I can't take my eyes. See? Yeah, puppy. Poo-poo. This is the breakfast menu. Complimentary. Oh, we can have coffee then. So good. Yeah. This is fine. Give me. I'll take a photo. Look at it. We had a breakfast and we
Just
took
check
lots
if
and lots of
there is
photos. Half of them I deleted, and right now we are about to head to Agonda Beach, which is just a 15 minutes drive from here. But to reach there, we'll have to again go via the two-wheeler, since I told you the road is not motorable, and at some point we'll have to walk a bit, let's say about 100 to 200 meters. It's pretty hot and humid now, and I just changed my attire. This is what I'm wearing. Trolley is ready and about to leave, just waiting for the cab. God.
Want to leave the. तो मेरे घर पे भी है. Bougainvillea, it is called Bougainvillea.
So hot, so hot. Bapre, Abuzu, are you enjoying the weather?
Keep moving, Logo. Keep moving. Calm down. Move.
See, this is the road. Sweating like a pig. Whew. It feels, the temperature is I think around 40. God, because it feels like 40. And what? Wait, the vehicle is just there waiting for us. Finally, I can sit in the AC and enjoy the cool. Whoa. It's a good workout, by the way. You can see how much I'm sweating, my goodness. Bapre, it feels like I'm in the oven, completely baked.